What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, from the last video, even though it's going to come right after all the others, I'm still recording this like before my mum got my channel back up, because she actually needs to make a whole new channel. So yeah, but over those days I've been building all the Lego sets. Pretty got one left, but that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. And the one that I'm doing is going to be the double Aston Martin set. So I've done the McLaren Alfa, the Lamborghini Countach, the Dodge Charger, the Koenigsegg Jesko, the DB5 Aston Martin. Don't really want to do the Technic. I don't know, my mum's going to do the Technic one for me. I've just finished the police set today. Both the stunt sets and the carnival truck. So, as you guys remember, like the only ones that I done as videos was the Lamborghini Countach, I think. Yeah, Lamborghini Countach, and that was it. That was the only one I've done a video on. But there's the Countach right there. So I'm going to show you all the ones that I've built so far. So Dodge Charger, the Aston Martin DB5, the good one there. By the way, in the movie No Time to Die, where he like in the DB5 he had revolving number plates, like for like each country, and right here there's number plates, yeah. But under this bonnet is where I put all of the license plates, which is quite cool because it's right by where where the revolving number plates would be in the movie of No Time to Die. So that's quite cool. To me. So I just say that's quite cool. Then the Koenigsegg Jesko, which is quite a cool one, to be honest. Quite detailed. The Lamborghini Countach, right here. And then the McLaren Alfa, which I think you guys might like. If your favourite colour is blue, the car is a nice blue colour. So as you can see, we've got all they've made special bits for backlights in there. Don't know if you can see it, but made little bits for backlights, or your stickers. And this was actually made last year in 2021, and DB5 was made in 2022 as a Lego set, obviously as the Lego set. And also the bonnet goes it raises up and down. Same with the DB5, but because I've put all the license plates under under the bonnet, it can't go up that much, but it can still go up a little bit. Then this is a part of the big police set. So there's this little tractor, but it's got a grapple hook on the back. Then this is one from that set. This was mostly the whole of the set, and that's what the tractor came in. That's what set the tractor one came with. Then we also got a carnival truck. The carnival truck. but it's not only all like packed up and all that. So I will see you guys in a minute when I fully like unpack this. Or actually, I'll show you guys how to unpack it. So you'll have it like this, obviously. Then you'll grab your kid, just put them down however you want. Grab the ticker booth off. And then you've got the ticker booth. You've got the little thing like that. Don't even really know what that is. And then time for actually like doing like the whole like ride itself. So let's go. So you'll take your the rails off. You'll get your carts and the aliens, and then you'll get the rails, fold down the legs, and then when it's on the truck, you'll fold them back up like this, and then fold it down. And you're doing it so it's all like standing. Then you'll fold these down, so then they're the last thing to be fully down. Then, but put two fully down. Put your aliens in on the opposite side, like this. So then they're like opposite sides. Then you'll get them down to the last one. Put your carts on the track, just like that. Then you'll get that, put it over the black bit, and then you have this little windy bit at the back, which actually it makes them go round. So look, this hand off, that hand there, winding that round, and it's making it go. So look, this hand, right there, this finger, this hand on that. Oh, move that round, bam. It's literally a moving carnival truck. And then to put it all back up, like you'll get it perfect, wind it back up, wind all this back up, get your aliens out, put them like that, get your things off the track, take the track off, like I said, fold this back up, like that, put them on to the little things. So as you can see, you've got these orange bits, and then look, the rails will go on just like that, and then you'll get your carts, put them just in the middle of like the piece, so you'll put them in like that. Like that. Then you'll get your aliens, put them on, get the ladder, fold it back up on the back, so that it's like that, not so it's like that, so it's like that. Then get your ticket booth, put it back on, get your thing, then put it on the like actual truck itself. So you'll take like the trailer off if you want, but what I do is I just turn that, or turn it that way so you guys can see. Then, but I can't right now because of all that. So then put it on. What I do with the kid is I leave is I put the mum in the ticket booth, like it's the person like running the ticket booth, and then I just let the kid, and then I just get the kid like this, make him grab on just to that, so like he's like one of the workers or something, so then he looks like a worker, and then he's just hanging on like that. So then it's like some of those people that like hang on to trucks or whatever, and then just bam, and just drive it away. So yeah, that'll have to be that'll have to be it for this video, because I'm not doing because I'm not gonna build those cars in that time. In this time, because we've already went through 11 minutes of the video. 11 minutes in 3, 2, 1. 11 minutes through the video. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. One thing that I would like to say to you guys is be good, we out, peace. Right, so stay good. So one thing I would like to say is stay good, we out, peace.